What if I told you that India's journey over the last 77 years is a story of incredible resilience? From overcoming immense challenges to emerging as a global player, this is a narrative you won't find in your textbooks. So, why did a young nation face such trials, and how did it rise above them? Join me as we into the untold story of India's 77 years, a journey of resilience. In 1947, India gained independence after decades of struggle. But freedom was just the beginning. The newly independent nation faced challenges like poverty, illiteracy, and communal tensions. The first few years were turbulent. The partition of India and Pakistan led to one of the largest human migrations in history. Millions were displaced, and communities were torn apart. Families were separated, and lives were lost in violence. Despite this chaos, the spirit of the people remained unbroken. The Indian government, led by figures like Jawaharlal Nehru, focused on unity. They promoted a vision of a secular and democratic nation. The constitution was adopted in 1950, laying the foundation for equality and justice. But the road ahead was still rocky. The 1960s brought a series of challenges, like droughts and food shortages. The Green Revolution emerged in response. Agricultural advancements helped in increasing crop yields. Farmers adopted new techniques, and India moved towards self-sufficiency in food. Another significant event was the 1971 Indo-Pak War. This war led to the creation of Bangladesh, showcasing India's military strength and commitment to humanitarian values. The 1980s and 1990s introduced a new wave of change. Economic liberalization began in 1991. India opened its doors to foreign investment and global markets. With a growing tech sector, the nation began to transform into an IT powerhouse. From humble beginnings, companies like Infosys and Wipro emerged. Young entrepreneurs began to dream big. By the early 2000s, India was seen as an emerging global economy. But the journey was not without its setbacks. The 2008 financial crisis tested the resilience of the Indian economy. However, the nation's ability to recover quickly demonstrated its strength. Let's talk about another significant aspect of India's resilience: its unity in diversity. With 22 official languages, hundreds of dialects, and various religions, India is a tapestry of cultures. Instead of division, this diversity often leads to a rich exchange of ideas and innovation. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, and Christmas bring people together, transcending religious boundaries. Now, let's touch on recent events. The COVID-19 pandemic hit the world hard in 2020, but India showcased its resilience once again. The country ramped up vaccination efforts, hitting record numbers. Healthcare workers became the frontline heroes, working tirelessly for the country. The community's resilience shone through in acts of kindness. Neighbors supported each other, displaying the true spirit of togetherness. As we move forward, India faces new challenges, such as climate change and economic inequality. However, with its rich history of resilience, there's no doubt that the nation will find a way to adapt and thrive. By focusing on education, innovation, and community, India stands ready for the future. So, what can we take away from India's journey over these 77 years? It's about hope, strength, and the will to overcome obstacles against all odds. If you found this journey through India's history inspiring, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, so they can appreciate India's incredible resilience too.